on, look.
Better talk to Andy though.
Nana Andy.
Oh, that looks beauty. That looks very nice.
Nana Andy, look at your lips, they're huge.
Do I have? Well, they are a little burnt today, so yeah.
Yeah, I know I'm not doing that here.
I'm doing a little bit of close up on your artwork.
Who's stuck to this?
Yeah, probably because you got little bits sloppy.
Oh my goodness! Look at I've got beautiful lips.
Right?
Thank you, Gianna. Let me see your artwork there. Look what you're doing! Wow,
it's
it's
lots of
beautiful.
paint.
It is.
Rub in the glue.
Did we get away in the canoe okay?
Yeah.
Lots of paint could be anything, so I just did random colors. Where's the blue? Silver is there? No. I need to do the blue.
I think Gianna has blue.
I also need the blue. I just need to do the finishing touch. Finishing touch is the blue. I did silver, red, and... Can we color over the paint when it's dry? Like draw with permanent marker when it's dry?
You might be able to. Anything's possible, depending on exactly what it is you're talking about.
Because I just need to do a little dot for the eyes.
You can just do a little black.
Put a dot right on there now. You can take a little dot of black. You can put a little dot of black right on it right now.
But just a little tiny. Oh, look, here's Daddy.
It's lots of paint. It's supposed to be.
Did you have a good ride?
Wow. Yeah, we did. We were going to go back out. We just wanted to see what the progress was here.
Yes.
Somebody wanted to come with this one. We're still
Nope.
going.
I want to
Just let them be.
Nice.
Let them be.
Now that's going to be red.
Sean,
Not
look,
a
see,
path.
Papa Don,
Ah.
Papa Don found a dead butterfly and I'm trying to draw that.
Oh, wow.
It was in there.
Beautiful one.
I didn't know. It was very pretty.
All right. Well, we're going to go back up then.
Off you go.
Have fun. Just down the river again. Very nice.
You guys can go out later.
Yeah, you guys can come out with us after.
After this afternoon.
You
No,
guys
no,
are
no.
gonna be
This
here
is just you.
Yeah. It's just
All
me
by
going
yourself,
today.
my
You guys are
dear.
gonna be here. Sean, I put that
Sorry, Cass.
unit in your back of your car. So you
Oh,
won't
okay.
forget it, okay?
Cool. Thanks.
That
Wait,
camera's not on.
is it on yet?
No, not, Gina, I have to do introduction first.
Oh, yeah.
One.
Andy can call. Andy.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. This is the Alien Who Faaaated 2. Salmon and tuna. Here's a little pre-show introduction. This is the alien's magical cloak that was not in the first show. When the alien covers itself with it, it is invisible. He or she, whatever gender it is. But if it only covers half of itself, its head is still visible. And you may be seeing a whole bunch of weird croc things. They're supposed to be the girls' salmon and tuna that they really enjoy. So, action!
You have to speak up.
Cribble about, cribble about.
Cassidy's so funny when she's sleeping.
Alien, Gianna, alien!
Where?
Right there!
That's my tuna, Cassidy.
It was eating your tuna.
Well, there is no alien. It's just your silly imagination.
So funny when she's
Cassidy, alien eating a salmon. It's right there. You silly. It was eating your salmon. Look at that. It's my salmon. She needs me.
Wackity, 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 wackity. I'll put my song right there.
Put my tail right here. Hello, everybody. Today is chili charts. Cassie and Gary, you are first.
Chili.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, I need to go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, I need to go. Wonderful, girls, that was my name. Thank you.
Snack time. Yay. Oh, joy. My chairman!
It's empty! It's empty!
What happened, Gianna? Did you eat my salmon?
No, I don't like salmon. Did you eat my tuna?
No, I do not like tuna.
Is this seat taken?
Alien!
No, she's not an alien. It's just a lady that was here for 100 years. There's a head. Only. Ah! Alien!
Hello.
Hello.
Really?
Really?
Wonderful.
Wonderbar.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it. I can't wait to turn up.
Me neither.
Bye. Love you. I made the cheerleading squad.
So did I. Oh, joy.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Do you know where my tuna went?
And do you know where my salmon went? No, what happened to it?
I don't know. That's what I was asking you.
Yeah, Daddy, duh. Don't be a stupid butthead. I'll buy you more for tomorrow.
Oh, and the ones that we like. The ones
That $100, duh.
The smack in the
Maybe.
face. How about that?
Okay.
At least the alien can't get us in here, right?
Right, alien. Wait a minute. Alien! It's just a dream. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. The end. Wait a minute. Daddy, you still didn't get us salmon or tuna.
Oh, is that what it's called? That was delicious.
It's just a dream. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. The real end.
Woo! All the stores, take a bow. Take a bow. You gotta take a bow.
Here's the people.
Take a bow.
Gina.
Yay!
Cassidy. Scatland playing Cassidy. Vanessa Scatland playing the alien. And Charlotte Scatland playing the cheerleading teacher person.
Thank you.